Let's have a look at this function. The primitive of 1 over x is going to be ln x. And we can very easily check the result because what's the derivative of ln x over x? And that's the function here. So this is the primitive of this. How about 1 over 2x plus 3? Well, let's guess that it's going to be ln. Every time it's 1 over something and then an expression with x here, we guess that is going to be ln. So how about ln 2x plus 3? Let's check if this is correct. If we're going to find the derivative of this, ln 2x plus 3, we would have to do like this: 1 over the expression itself, so 2x plus 3, and then we multiply with the derivative of this expression. So the derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 3 or any number is 0. So the derivative of this is going to be 2 times it by 2. Okay, so this would be 2 over 2x plus 3, and that's not exactly what we have here. Here's a 1 and here's a 2, so what can we do? Well, if we divide by a 2, then we would be fine. Let's find the derivative of this function and see if we can get this. Ln of 2x plus 3 over 2. This divided by 2 is just going to stay down here. So let's focus on this part. 1 over 2x plus 3, and the 2 just stays here. Okay, we do nothing, and then it's going to be times 2 up here. Now we can actually cross out the 2 here and the 2 here. So instead of a 2, we would have 1. Okay, and that's the function. So is there a formula here? Well, it's actually, if we have an expression, for example, we're just gonna write the primitive as ln of this divided by 2. Okay, so let's try one more. 1 over 3x minus 2. Well, we know that it's going to be ln of that expression, ln of 3x minus 2, and then divided by, what is the derivative of this? What is the derivative of 3x minus 2? The derivative is going to be 3, so divided by 3. Let's check the result here. Derivative of this function would be 1 over, and the 3 just stays here, we do nothing with it, and then it's going to be 1 over this expression, so 3x minus 2. And then we're going to multiply with the inner derivative, right? So the inner derivative of 3x minus 2 is going to be 3. Now we have a factor 3 up in the numerator and a factor 3 down in the denominator. So we're just going to cross them out. And we are left with 1 over 3x minus 2. That's the function we can see here. So its primitive is this. If we want to make sure that we did it correctly, we can just find its derivative, and then we see that we get the function once again. So kind of going back and forth to double check the result.